First reading, 1 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 12 to 14, 27 to 31. For as with the human body, which is a unity, although it has many parts, all the parts of the body, though many, still making up one single body, so it is with Christ. We were baptized into one body in a single Spirit, Jews as well as Greeks, slaves as well as free men, and we were all given the same Spirit to drink. And indeed the body consists not of one member but of many. Now Christ's body is yourselves, each of you with a part to play in the whole. And those whom God has appointed in the church are, first apostles, secondly prophets, thirdly teachers, after them miraculous powers, then gifts of healing, helpful acts, guidance, various kinds of tongues. Are all of them apostles? Or all prophets? Or all teachers? Or all miracle workers? Do all have the gifts of healing? Do all of them speak in tongues, and all interpret them? Set your mind on the higher gifts. And now I am going to put before you the best way of all. Responsorial Psalm, Psalms chapter 100 verse 1 to 2, 3, 4, 5. Psalm for thanksgiving. Acclaim Yahweh, all the earth, serve Yahweh with gladness, come into his presence with songs of joy. Be sure that Yahweh is God, he made us, we belong to him, his people, the flock of his sheepfold. Come within his gates giving thanks, to his courts singing praise. Give thanks to him and bless his name, for Yahweh is good. His faithful love is everlasting, his constancy from age to age. Gospel, Luke chapter 7 verse 11 to 17. It happened that soon afterwards he went to a town called Nain, accompanied by his disciples and a great number of people. Now when he was near the gate of the town there was a dead man being carried out, the only son of his mother, and she was a widow. And a considerable number of the townspeople was with her. When the Lord saw her he felt sorry for her and said to her, "Don't cry." Then he went up and touched the bier, and the bearer stood still. And he said, "Young man, I tell you, get up." And the dead man sat up and began to talk, and Jesus gave him to his mother. Everyone was filled with awe and glorified God, saying, "A great prophet has risen up among us. God has visited his people." And this view of him spread throughout Judea and all over the countryside.